Okay, let's see that this is website of Texture Oceans where you can download free high PBR textures. Uh, Free, you can download different type of floors, walls, and different type of maps free. From here, if you will click over here, you will see that there is redirecting to a page of mega patch which is available for, and that texture which on you click, that is able to download. You can download from here by this at your PC or laptop. Also, there's one another option which I have added recently today, which is Blender 3D models, which you can download from here. If you will click here, you can see the images, render images. Click here, render just 3D model, some of the 3D model, some of the render images. Okay, these are all limited. Most of them are going to be launched soon, as I will create. So if you want to download these model free, so just click over here, and also watch over here. There will be a link of a rar file, as you can see over there, rar file. Now as rar file link is appearing, you can click. It will ask you that where to download. Same like that, as you will click over, it will ask for download. It will ask. Now that will also you are able to download free without any password. Just download the rar file texture. Some of the files having texture, STL, and FBX OBJ files, you can just download and use them for your personal projects. Have a good time, enjoy, and wait till next model free coming soon. FBX, STL, and OBJ. FBX, STL, OBJ files will be available, or you can order to me textureocean@gmail.com. Thank you for watching my video. Keep visiting my website and downloading. Thank you.